Let's talk about money. Not the fantasy version where you wake up rich because you manifested it. Not the TikTok side hustle scam where you make $10,000 a month doing nothing. I mean actual money, the kind that pays your bills, buys your freedom, and lets you stop stressing over gas prices like they're life or death. The truth? Making money is way simpler than people realize, but also way harder than they want to admit. By the end of this video, you won't get some magic hack. You'll get the only mindset that actually works. Because money isn't complicated. People just make it complicated. Here's the brutal truth. Most people are broke because they treat money like vibes. They spend it faster than they earn it. They flex it before they stack it. And they expect it to show up without putting in the work. You can't out-earn bad habits. If you blow $100, you'll blow $1,000. If you waste your time, you'll waste opportunities. So the first step to making money isn't learning how to get more. It's learning how to stop leaking what you already have. We live in a world where everyone wants fast cash. Crypto bros, drop shipping gurus, the guy on Instagram selling a $5,000 course while filming in a rented Lamborghini. Here's the secret. Quick money usually leaves just as quickly.
Lottery winners, broke in 5 years. Flashy entrepreneurs,
Most are in debt. Because money without discipline is like pouring water into a bucket with holes. If you don't build the habits, the skills, the mindset, the money doesn't stay. So stop chasing hacks. Start chasing mastery. Money isn't magic. It's an exchange. You give value, you get money. That's it. If you solve problems for people, they pay you. If you build skills people need, they pay you more. If you make other people money, you'll never be broke. The world doesn't care how hard you work. It cares what your work is worth. Forget chasing jobs of the future. The skills that make money are the same now as they were 100 years ago. Sales, convincing people. Doesn't matter if it's products, ideas, or yourself in an interview. Communication, clear writing, clear speaking. If you can't explain it, you can't sell it. Problem solving. Being the person who figures things out instead of waiting for instructions. Discipline. Showing up every day. Boring, but it beats 99% of people. Making money boils down to 3 steps. Step 1, earn. Stack skills, work jobs, start side hustles, whatever it takes to bring money in. Step 2, keep. Don't spend it like you're trying to impress strangers who don't care about you. Courses, books, mentors, your own business. That's it. Earn, keep, grow. Most people never make it past step 1 because they sabotage steps 2 and 3. Here's the part nobody likes hearing. Money won't fix your life if your mindset is broken. If you're lazy broke, you'll be lazy rich. If you're miserable broke, you'll be miserable rich. If you're careless broke, you'll be bankrupt rich. Money only amplifies who you already are. Stop asking, how do I get money? Start asking, how do I deserve money? That doesn't mean grinding 24/7 or burning yourself out. It means creating value in a way that matters. When you stop chasing money like it's some magical unicorn and start focusing on making yourself more useful, money just follows. Money isn't about cars, watches, or flexes. It's about options. The option to walk away from a job you hate. The option to take care of your family. The option to live life on your terms instead of begging for permission. That's the real flex, not the rented Lambo, not the Gucci belt. Freedom. So, how do you make money? Not by hacks, not by luck, not by waiting for the universe to bless you. You make money by stacking skills, solving problems, and building discipline. You keep money by not wasting it on nonsense. And you grow money by investing in yourself before anything else. It's not glamorous, it's not instant, but it works every time. Because the truth is, money isn't complicated. People just love making it complicated so they can sell you shortcuts. Skip the shortcuts, do the work, buy your freedom. Money's not the goal. Freedom is.
If you're still broke, maybe money's not the real problem. Maybe you're just procrastinating the work that matters. Watch this next video and fix that before you chase anything else.